Dissolving mysteries. Understanding, dissolve in water. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases? Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dissolve in water. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also a great example of how language can vividly describe scientific processes. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this interesting phrase. To fully understand the phrase, dissolve in water, we first need to grasp what dissolve means. In simple terms, to dissolve is to mix a solid, liquid, or gas with a liquid to form a solution. This process generally results in the solid, called the solute, becoming incorporated into the liquid, known as the solvent, so thoroughly that it cannot be seen separately. It's a term widely used in both everyday language and scientific contexts. Now, let's dive a bit into the science. When a substance dissolves in water, it means that the particles of the substance have spread out evenly among the water particles. This happens at a molecular level. For instance, when table salt, sodium chloride, dissolves in water, the salt's sodium and chloride ions separate and disperse in the water. To make this more relatable, let's look at some everyday examples. Think of sugar dissolving in tea, or a fizzy tablet dissolving in a glass of water. These are common instances where you can observe the process of dissolving. It's a concept that we encounter often in our daily lives, sometimes without even realizing it. Interestingly, the phrase, dissolve in water, is not only used literally but also metaphorically. In literature or everyday speech, saying that something dissolves in water might imply that it disappears or goes away easily, often without trace or significance. This metaphorical use highlights the versatility and richness of the English language. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, dissolve in water. Whether it's a sugar cube in your morning tea or a metaphor in a novel, this phrase beautifully combines the worlds of science and language. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable for you. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll find that English, like water, can be both simple and profound. See you in our next lesson.